This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. You will feel relaxed and at ease in this peaceful chalet tucked quietly away in Keyes Ferry Acres. The open floor plan with large windows, vaulted ceilings and extensive woodwork gives a cabin feel sure to please. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor along with the kitchen, living and full bath. Downstairs you will enjoy a large family room area with woodstove, 3rd bedroom, 2nd full bath and laundry. Pets are on a case-by-case basis and a non-refundable pet deposit is required along with renter's insurance. No smoking is allowed. Schedule your tour today. Apply online via Rentspree. $30 per applicant. For more information, review the details below or contact Wendy Musselman at 304-263.